First, add any background color of your choice. Go to Titles tab and add default title. Right click on the title, then go to Edit Properties, then go to Advanced. Proceed by typing any word you want. Change the font to Impact. Change the text field to Gradient. Proceed by adding any color of your choice. Adjust the text space to 25. Click OK. Go to Effects tab, then add Direction of Blur effect. Right click on the direction of blur, then go to Edit Properties and make the following adjustments. Copy the direction of blur and paste it in the upper tracks several times as follows. Proceed by adding color blur effect. Adjust the color blur as follows. Now copy the title and paste it in the upper track. Go to Effects tab and add Cinematic Bar.